How to redeem access code for GenAI Arcade Game. First, go to the enrollment email. Pathway, code, the timeline to access the code, and the last day to complete are given. So to access the generative AI, we have to do it within October 3rd week, that is 3rd to 9th October. First, go to the link, go to GenAI Game, sign in to join the game, manually enter the email as well as your password. Sign in. Click on join this game. They will ask you for the access code. So go back to the enrollment email, copy the access code which is given to you. It will be unique for each person. Paste the access code and click on join. You can change your name as well as your avatar. You can see the leaderboard as well as the overview of whatever you're going to do for the GenAI Arcade game. So you will have the introduction lab, then you will have what's next. All of the GenAI and Vertex information is given.